Welcome to Pantheon Trio Smart Home Duplexes at Ikota Villa by Lekki, Lagos. Trust me, this house is the first fully smart home automated with beautiful contemporary designs in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos. Seriously, this gorgeous house will leave you captivated. It is not just a house, but a smart home. And trust me, every moment you spend in this house is going to create a lifetime memories. Take a walk with me. And then, okay guys, so welcome to the sitting room. This is the sitting room, and you can see it is very spacious. Beautiful lightings. This light is awesome, okay? And this sitting room is gorgeous and spacious. Guys, this house has an amazing features, very smart, amazing features, such as the smart lock, the smart switches, the smart camera, smart sockets, and the wireless charger. I never heard that one before, but then, guys, there is a wireless charger in this house. Come with me, let's go to the kitchen. Okay guys, so this is a fully fitted kitchen. In this kitchen we have extra bonuses, just like the double door fridge, you can see, and then we have the TV, and then we have an AC, air condition in the kitchen. We also have the washing machine, you can see that. And guys, we have with us here oven and the microwave. This is fantastic. Guys, come with me. Also, I have so many places to show you. And guys, I'm going to show you something. This is a stucco paint, and it is beautiful and amazing, used by our wonderful developer. Come with me, let me take you to the master bedroom. Okay, here is our master bedroom. And in this master bedroom, before I take you forward, I just want to show you we have an extra room that can be used either as a box room or as an office. Then come. This master bedroom is beautiful. This is spacious and gorgeous. Beautiful wardrobes. You can see this is gorgeous bedroom. Okay, here is our master bedroom, and in this master bedroom, before I take you forward, I just want to show you we have an extra room that can be used either as a box room or as an office. Then come. This master bedroom is beautiful. This is spacious and gorgeous. Beautiful wardrobes. You can see this is gorgeous. And then we have the balcony right there. Okay, so this is the toilet, and it's very beautiful. Come and see. I said it earlier, every moment spent in this house will give you a lifetime memory. So guys, let me take you to other rooms. They are very large and beautiful as well. You can see. Voila! This is beautiful. The lights, everything. And don't forget, it is smart. Everything is smart. Okay? So we have another room. Beautiful and spacious. So everything about this house is absolutely smart and beautiful. Guess what? One unique thing about this house is the style. The developer paid a very close attention to all the details of developing a contemporary smart house. Come with me, let me show you how everything works. And the most interesting thing about this house is that it works with or without the internet, and it also works with the Alexa app. Watch me do this. Told you. And guys, we have the smart music controller. Come, let me show you how this works.
Bring the shine, there is a casket.
Turn on loud, freaked out.
Okay guys, I know that you see this, and I just want to tell you, think smart and buy smart.